You've watched countless color grading tutorials, but your footage still doesn't have that cinematic Hollywood look, right? I get it. Today, I'm taking 3 pieces of raw footage and showing you the exact techniques that transform ordinary clips into cinematic masterpieces. Let's get started. To open the color scopes, go to Window and enable color scopes. Right-click and make sure to enable both the waveform and the vector scope. Next, go to the Lumetri color panel, then to curves, and let's play with the shadows. After that, go to Basic Correction, and then to Creative. And let's adjust the color wheels until we get the look we want. Finally, add a vignette for a more cinematic feel. Now, let's add a basic LUT. This will make the color grading process easier. Then, add another Lumetri color effect. Create a mask on the high buildings and adjust it a bit to make them stand out. The next step, create an adjustment layer. Add the VR glow effect. and play with the settings until you get a good result, something with a cyberpunk vibe. Only add VR glow when your footage has lots of lights. Lastly, hold Alt and duplicate the layer again. Add the Luma key effect and a Gaussian blur. This will give your footage a nice bloom effect. Feel free to reach out. All my links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.